哦，他们没有。
哦，
哦
他好像说要11点他才有空。
，OK，那没有事吧？
那我们11点再会合还是啥？
11点有点太迟了。
对，有点。
我们三个先讲一讲啦。你有什么想讲的吗？
嗯、
因为
我估计也就是说一下我在做的东西吧，那就 update 一下我做的东西。
OK，这样我们就讲，我们就讨论，呃，叫我问一下 VS，哎呀，VS 不确定哎，等一下啊。我之前是要做那个 form submission 啊，然后你说其实你那边就可以搞定了，是吧？
就是就是那个实际的 request 那个 API request 你不用，就
OK
你不用做就是你不用做前端的东西。
OK，但是我的问题是我们要 demo 什么，然后我不知道我要 demo 什么。
嗯，我也不是特别确定。
嗯
我本来想说是，我觉得能够 demo 的只是我们现有的东西吧。我觉得我们现有的东西就不过也是我们 copy 他们之前的东西。
嗯，
不过我看其他组他们好像什么东西都还没有。
对对，
就
因为基本上那天你有去对吧？对，没有人有
对对，
demo，但是我是说我们的情况其实我们是可以 demo 的。
就我们什么东西 work 我们就 demo 什么东西了。我觉得
对，
就是我们可以 demo 那个 sign up 跟那个 login，然后还可以 demo 那个，如果你那个就是如果那个 API 你好像
嗯
你那个 API，我觉得我看了一下你那个 pull request，我觉得可能还要改一下。就是
，OK，
如果你那个 API 就是
嗯
周五或者周六之前能够弄好的话，我们就可以 integrate。不行的话，我们就只能是 demo 的那个，就是只能 demo 就 UI，然后你可以分开 backend 的话可以分开 demo。就
哦
是你
，OK，
backend 的话，就只要是显示那个 API work 就行了。哦，你想问我那个 Postman 怎么测那个 API 是不是？我可以给你看一下我怎
OK
么
啊，
给你看吧。
等一
可以看到我
下啊，
屏幕吗？
我看到等一下 VS 问我们那个 link，哎呀，因为他每次没有记下来。
我发过去。
啊、对，发过来，OK 好，OK 好，你现在开了，
对，就这个，就是
嗯
因为之前他们不是其实也有 demo 过，就是用那个 Postman 嘛。
嗯
就是一般他们主要后端的话，主要他们很少会，如果就是我不知道你之
嗯
前我不知道你现在是什么职位，但是如果说是一般那种，如果是
嗯
web 的公司，一
嗯
般他们都会分说前端跟后端。然后前端的话，主要就是用那些前端的像 HTML、JavaScript，然后 CSS 啊，主要是做前端 UI 的东西，然后做那个 page 出来。后端的
嗯
话，主要就是做 API，像这里看的有不同的 URL，然后不同的 URL 有不同的功能嘛。像现在的话，后端的话，它一般都是 independent，跟前端也是 independent 的，然后他们就是 progress 会不一样嘛，所以很难有时候说是我前端做好了，后端还没有 ready 这样子。所以一般的话，后端它一般都会有自己的一个 REST client，就是有不同的啦，但是 Postman 是其中一个，然后也是比较 popular 的，很多人会用的。所以一般就是用来测你的 API work 不
，OK，
work，就是
嗯
就是对不对，然后你可以测，就是因为你可以 因为前端的话，它主要也是 send 一样的东西，只要是看你的 response 对不对而已，就是说有没有给回正确的 response 就可以了。像是它现在的话，我不知道你有没有 copy 这个，但是一般的话，它现有的就是，
我曾经打开过 Postman， 他叫我 sign in 哦，所以我一定要 sign in 一个是吧？我要 sign out 是吧？还是什么？
我忘记我有没有 sign in， 但是如果可以的话，你就 sign in 呗。如果对啊，
没有 sign in 是什么？我其实我就随便 create 一个 account 嘛。
对啊，你就随便 create 一个 account，然后 sign in，然后把这整个 collection copy 过来，你就会有这整个 copy 就这整个 collection 了。
哦，等一下，我还因为我 click sign in，他叫我 password 哦。
你就 sign up 呗，你应该没有 sign up 过，那你就 sign up 一个。
等一下
Hi guys.
Hi,
Hello。
So Younglin, I just saw your comments, so that I just changed the HTML elements into ant.
Okay, great. Thanks.
And so like I mentioned in the chat that I was like doing too much of a rework because I got confused. So
Yeah, no worries.
yeah. So currently I'm just trying to fix the create profile screen, which is a model pop-up. Fix in the sense I'm just trying to change those elements to and compatible. And components. And I already created one screen. So basically, I have few doubts in the use case itself. So I don't know, like if you want to discuss on that, or you think it's not a priority at this time.
I mean, I'm not sure if I at the best position to answer the
Okay.
use case, because I'm not sure. I
So
guess like
basically,
this. Yeah, I mean,
yeah,
we can
even
discuss if you want.
yeah, even I'm wondering like what we can show the coming Saturday. So
I guess like so you wasn't there in the last week. So last week that we all went in to see the demo, see the presentation.
oh yeah, I was not there.
Yeah, so the other groups, they wasn't having any kind of demo. They doesn't have anything to show at all. So
Okay.
so I think that for us, it's fine that we show whatever that we have right now. We'll be able
Okay.
to show them the UI that we have built, and also we're
Okay.
able to show them the sign up and login, and also
Okay.
the position page that we created, and also the
Okay.
company profile and the create job postings. So whatever UI that we have created, we can show them. I'm not sure
But
if we'd be able to.
Yeah, because I think the position screen which you did, and on top of that, I added a create position model, but that doesn't have any functionality yet. I think you know already.
Yeah. So
I mean, we
that's
cannot
because
submit anything. Yeah.
that's because the backend wasn't ready. It's not ready
Yeah.
yet. So that's the point that I was gonna say is that if the backend isn't ready, we just show them I guess we could show them the UI,
Okay.
just the static pages. I think that's fine.
Okay.
Also, if the backend have something ready by Saturday, but we don't have time to integrate, we can also use the Postman to show them the response. That's something that I was thinking maybe we can do.
Okay.
Like,
So yeah, understood. So another question. So is your local code is in sync with the Capstone master? Sorry, the JobHax Capstone master. So I just want to double check whether the changes which I incorporated in the position screen, so is it I don't know whether it is merged or not. So
You mean the front end changes?
yeah, the front end changes.
I mean, I can check.
Hey guys, do you know how do I set up Postman to link to JobHax API?
I believe it's one sec. I believe I followed. So did you open the README?
Yeah, which
In
one?
the README, there's a link. Did you open that link? This one, and then run in Postman. Click on this one.
This link is in GitHub. Which one? Capstone?
Yeah, I'll put in the Slack.
Okay.
And then after you click on that, it was showed in. I mean, personally, I download the app in the Mac. I'm not sure if
Okay.
in Windows, if that's fine, but yeah, and then you need to do configurations as well, because the variable's name is different. The variable value is different.
Okay.
Yeah, that's also I'm currently working on the I guess I just want to give the updates that currently I'm working on the dashboard for the for this to show the applicants.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, so I'm working on that because previously they delete the job.
So this is can you just tell like what for that screen? So
I'm working on the use case 11 and 12.
okay. So does it mean you're trying to add companies?
That's not company. That's the because we previously copied the code from the job seeker.
Okay.
And it's showing company, but it's supposed to show the applicant's name, the first name and last name.
Okay.
And the position. Okay. So I'm making the changes right now. So I'm working on the backend right now, trying to create a new tables and also the new APIs.
Okay, cool.
So I'm working on the backend, and after the backend is done, then I will start changing the front end to make it integrated. But that's something I'm working on right now.
Oh, can you just go back to the use case doc? Just
yeah.
So I had doubt here, like in the use case 2.
Which one?
I think in milestone 1.
This one.
So yes. So here they tell that if you see the use case 1, employer has the ability to create or edit a company profile. So I think I remember that Sako said to add the company part within the existing profile screen.
Mm-hmm.
So does it mean like I think that should be conditionally displayed, because every login they shouldn't be getting. I mean, basically an individual cannot create positions, right? Only an organization can do that. I think it's not there in that app.jsx maybe.
Oh, I stopped here. Sorry.
And
I think what happened right now is the so because I previously I have made some changes for the sign up. So whenever a user signs up, actually, if they select the company, there will be a company profile that creates automatically in the backend. So I'll show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in here that you see all the companies right now have 3 companies, Google and Apple, right?
Okay.
So I'll show you that after I sign up that I'll be able to So I think that it will create a company profile, but I think for now, just keep it simple that anyone can update the profile. I think that should be fine.
I mean,
if that's what he wants.
so we have the profile screen, existing profile screen. So should I add an extra section to give the company details?
I think we need to update the profile screen that they have right now to able to
Yes.
say the company details, right? Like whatever is in here. But this
Yeah,
it doesn't have enough. But this it doesn't have enough information about the company, so we need to add more fields.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. So even my concern is like, I mean, fields can keep changing because like they might have some discussions happening. So but at least we should be able to know like where we should do that change.
Yeah. So I think
In
the
the
profile
profile.
page is fine for now. I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I can just add an extra section below the existing part and just do the design.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I want to ask about the Postman because that is not what I thought is I use Django to save something to backend. That's it. And then I actually don't know how this Postman fit into my work.
So I can explain that a little bit. Is that so? For example, that you have the Postman ready. Like for example, that
Can I show you? Can I show you
Yeah.
my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, yeah. So my Postman here is blank. So what do I do now?
Did you open the link that I sent you?
Yes. Here.
Can you open the can you expand the screen?
This one.
Yeah, run in Postman on the top right corner. Windows. That's okay. So
Sure.
it's imported now. So that the
So this one is
yeah, you
not.
can delete this one, and then click on that one. Yeah. So so
Okay,
in
then
here.
how,
So can you click on the? You already clicked on that. Can you click on the environments?
environment. Which one?
In the right side, yeah.
Production.
That's for production. Can you click on the gear icon? The gear icon, and then copy. Click on the three dots. Not this one. Actually, one sec. There is copy. Actually, the copy.
The first
icon.
one.
Yeah.
This
Okay.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then rename it to the rename that to local. Update. Yeah, and then you need to update the local variables. The name. Can you open that again? The locals.
Values.
Sorry. Yeah.
Delete the second one.
This one.
Yeah. So you need to update the client ID and the client secret to the local one that you have. It's in the admin localhost 8,000 admin. The backend.
Which one? This one.
The current value need to change the current value.
Current value. Oh, okay. This one.
Yeah.
Is
the actual value that you have.
Yeah.
No. You need to go to the browser. Can you go to the backend admin screen?
Backend admin screen. You mean my Django code?
Your local.
Okay. Wait.
Localhost 8,000 or 8,001. I'm not sure which product is using. Is it running right now?
No, I'm trying to open the code.
Okay. You need to start the server.
Oh, wow.
So guys, this is Python, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you guys have any plans to attend the open house meeting this Sunday?
What activity this Sunday? What?
I think there. I heard like they just changed the CEO of the ITU. So.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
Do we need to do something?
I mean, it's not mandatory, but
Okay.
I think probably they'll be giving some updates on the organization side.
I have both intense class, like CFL, something for internship, 9 to 5.
Yeah, oh my God, that's crazy.
Yeah.
That's interesting, but I attended in the past.
Have you attended that before?
Yes, I attended in my last semester.
Oh, okay. So what is it about? Why is so long hour?
So basically, it'll be more of an interactive session of the whole day.
Okay.
Yeah, there is nothing to do with the computer, laptop, I mean.
So 127?
Yeah, you can open the link and go to your localhost 8000 admin.
No, this is not wrong.
Need to log into as admin. And then you go to one sec. Go to the Django auth toolkit under the toolkit, and go to applications. Add application. And can you copy the client ID and put it to the Postman? The gear icon, the local. Click on the local, the text.
Oh.
Yeah. Then update those variables. Then copy the client secret as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where is token?
And then you update and also save in the admin.
No need to token, right?
The token that we need to log in first. We don't have it yet.
So update.
Yeah.
And then this one save.
Yeah.
Please correct the error.
Confidential and also resource owner password base. Yep. And then we need to sign up the user actually. Can you go back to the Postman? You can close it. You can close that. And go to the users API.
Users API.
On the left, yeah, the first one. Users. The URL. Check the URL.
Oh, okay.
and then log in with our credentials, and then go to the body. Oh wait, actually we need to sign up the user first. We need to go to, can you stay on Postman?
Okay.
So basically you're able to use Postman, you'll be able to call the API without using the UI screen. So,
Okay.
so we need to create a user. Where's the create user? Register user. Oh, the second one maybe, the second one. And can you check the body? In the request body. Yeah, you can use this, I guess. Can just send. Can you hit send? Oh, did you change the URL? Can you go to the, I forgot to change the URL. Can you go to the, no, not that one. The green icon, the local environment. Then, yeah, we need to change the URL, the current value, the URL to localhost 800. 8,000 API.
8,000.
Then /API. Yeah. Not sure if you need HTTP, but you can try. Yeah, you can try send the request again.
That's it. Close.
I guess we need the HTTP, I think.
Okay. HTTPS, no?
No, no S. Yeah.
Yeah,
No.
That's weird. Oh, you need to select the you need to select the local. There's a no environment view. In the dropdown. Can you see the node environment?
Oh yeah.
Select local.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's the first time I get this.
So I guess we should. I'm not sure. Does it have any error? Can you scroll down a little?
500.
Oh, 500. I guess it's the user type ID. Not sure if that's because that, but I think it seems to be an error.
So what you're seeing is nothing but like what you see in the browser when you request the same in browser. So it just returns the HTML thing. But I think you got the 500 internal error. So like Younglin said, there could be some ID issue.
Can you change the ID, user type ID to 5? The bracket, the actual value to 5. No, under the body.
This one?
No, the user type. Change that to 5.
I delete all, right? Wait.
Yeah, delete all of them to 5. And
5.
put 5, yeah. Then send it again. Oh, it's weird. I think it works for me. 1 second.
I also see something here.
I think I got that too. I think that's not the actual error. Maybe can you remove the user type field? Just remove that one and remove the comma.
Do I need to save or something? No, save.
No, just send it again. Yeah. The username is taken. I think the user is.
So I just change it. Anything?
Change the username, I guess, and the pass and the email. I think.
Do I need to use my email or anything? It's fine.
I think anything is fine.
Cool.
You need to change the username as well. Yeah. Huh. Connection error. So you have the database running right now? Oh, it must be running, right? Go to the users. Maybe the users is generated. There's no access to it.
Just now I add from it here.
I think it needs some, I'm not exactly sure what happened right now. Because it works for me, I'm not sure.
Okay. Also, how do I use this Postman to interact with you? Because I show you what I know. What I know is I use this. This is Django. I create model. Model is corresponding to a table to store data.
Yeah.
That's it. That's for me. I actually for my work, I don't understand how Postman come into my works.
So after you finish everything, finish the API development. Okay. So maybe even during the development, you can check the changes. You can check the, like suppose, for example, that the request from the front end call the back end and how and what kind of data that you return to the front end. That's something that you need to check if that's working correctly.
Okay.
So for example, if you go to, I believe they have a positions API. Yeah, can you go to the positions API? In the Postman.
Oh, Postman, okay.
So there's a positions API and get position list. So for example, that you add some additional fields, right? The countries and also the states. You want to check if those are returned correctly to the front end. So you need to
use Postman.
Yeah, to check if that's been returned.
Oh, okay. So can I get send press send?
Invalid token creations. That's yeah. So previously I think we have put some comments in the pull request that you have created. Is that we don't really want to use the session as authentication because because previously you show us that you log in as an admin first and then you open in the browser. That's why the user is already authenticated as an admin, so you'll be able to. But for the normal user, they're not using the session, they're using the JWT token to authenticate the user and interact with the API. So there has to be some changes done, I think, but I'm not sure exactly the token header.
Okay.
So I think we need more debug on here. Can you click on the headers in the tab? Yeah. Under the get, under the URL. Get headers, yeah. Yeah, we need the access token to be able to call the API. So they need to log in first. So the access token is the JW token that we're talking about to able to use that to call the other API. So the user need to log in first. After they log in, there will be an access token returned back from the API, the sign in API, and then we update that in the local environment, and then you'll be able to call the other APIs.
But I already signed in here, right?
That's different. That's for the admin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so I need to sign in here, but just now I failed, right?
I'm not sure if you have. I'm not sure what kind of error is here. That's the error looks
maybe because of password. This is the password of what? Of the Postgres.
So right now we are trying to register a user. So we need, because you don't have any user in the database yet, so we need to add a user to to the table, and then we use that user to sign in to get the access token. I can, if you want, I can show you what happens in my.
Okay, this is changing.
It will be the same 500. I think we need to look into what is the actual error.
Okay.
Can you go down to the, we need to, can you go down in the
Go down.
HTML? Because it's too small, I can't really know what's the error. Can you scroll down? We need to see the error message to understand what's the error. Can you go up? The traceback, yeah, need to see the traceback. Maybe it's in the last line, okay, like exception, connection error, API, using HTTP connection for maximum. I'm not sure about this. Maybe ask Siphon, because I haven't faced this problem before.
Okay.
Maybe you just copy this and put it on Slack. Maybe someone will respond.
Yeah, you can put it in a Slack and also tag him, and then he'd be able to answer that.
Yeah, just tell that you're calling so-and-so API. So I think better.
What I'm doing here is what? Is registering a user?
Yeah, registered user.
I couldn't register a user in JobHax API, right? This is what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the
App section.
Can you tag our Siphon?
Say 4. Okay.
Yeah. Can you help? Yeah.
Younglin, do you mind checking the change, which I like? I just wanted you to check if my change is there in master.
Yeah, I can check it right now. 1 sec.
Okay.
What exactly did you change?
So I just added a create position button in the position screen, which you did.
Okay, cool. Check it right now.
Okay, then I think I done for my part. I don't know. I'm done. I don't know how to proceed from my part. So what I can demo is how do I get the data from the database from command line. That's it. That's what I can demo on Saturday.
Yeah, I think it's just that we will demo like what we did and we will tell what we are going to do in the next meeting or whatever.
Yeah, I think right now we can show whatever progress we have made so far. I think that's fine. They don't expect us to have any kind of working demo, anything like that. I think whatever we can show, it's fine, I think.
Okay.
So like usually like how long each group is presenting? Any idea?
15 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So then, I have. Yeah, go ahead.
No, what's next? I'm done for my part.
Yeah, I think maybe if you're done, you can leave. So I just want some confirmation from Young Lin,
Okay,
so I'm
okay.
just waiting.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm still checking. 1 second.
Yeah, sure. So basically, even I have challenges using Git as well. So every time I'm just going to college to take help from Seifu. I'm used to Git in a different way. I work with Azure, so that works in a different way. So I was new to this fork and all.
I don't think I'm able to see any changes.
Oh, okay.
1 sec. Can open this.
So I think I should again, I'll just change all the elements and I'll push it again for a review. Maybe you can then look at it.
Yeah, I can go to GitHub and see if that's been committed. But 1 sec.
Yeah.
I can go to GitHub. You said you changed the positions, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just added a button beside the filters.
No, I don't see any changes actually. I can show you my screen. I don't see any updates on that.
Oh, okay. Then just for my confirmation, I'll just do the changes and I'll just commit and push it.
Yeah, can you commit it and create a new pull request and
sure.
you can add me in
Yeah.
the review. I see if that's able to add it to you. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So, like, we are done, or we have anything to discuss? Or
yeah, do we have anything that we need to discuss? I mean, oh, did I give my update? I give my update, right? I'm working on the dashboard. Yeah.
Yeah, you told.
Okay.
Okay. I don't think Soccer will join.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jun, you have anything else to talk, or you done? Oh, he left.
He's muted, I think.
Yeah. Okay, then I think we're done.
Okay.
Okay, man. Thank you. Thanks for the help.
Thanks.
Have a nice day.
You
Bye.
too. Bye.